Have you ever wanted a gym at home but didn't have the space without giving up a room? Imagine having that perfect home gym. A room you can walk into, exercise however you want, and then get on with your day. The pivot bed is the only way to get the space you need, and lack of space is the biggest obstacle to a proper home workout. When it's up, you have a gym. It's freestanding and doesn't require mounting to the wall. When it's down, you have a beautiful bedroom again. The pivot bed works with your existing equipment. We're not designing another closed ecosystem where you have to buy all your exercise gear from Pivot. We use industry standard measurements and fittings. Our goal is to work with every manufacturer, not against them. Few of us have space in our homes for a full gym. We're lucky if we can squeeze a piece of equipment into the corner of the living room. The beauty of the pivot bed is that it opens up space in your home. Space, the area of a double or king-size bed. In this, you fit your exercise mat, a bench, dumbbells. The powder-coated steel bed frame gives you a pull-up bar, hip bars, and an optional power rack. Roll out of bed and straight into a workout. Store fold-down cardio gear like a treadmill or turbo trainer under the bed. There's space to mount your device, so you can join in online classes or exercise videos, all from your bedroom. No more fighting traffic or squeezing on public transport in a mask to get to your overpriced fitness club. No more waiting in line at the gym for a piece of equipment. You have it all here under your bed. When you're finished, lower it back down again, and you won't,
which could be flat packed and shipped. The result is Pivot, a bed which is also a complete gym. No more waiting in line, no more excuses.
The pivot bed is made in the UK. It's rock solid and is built from premium quality materials. Use the pivot bed to get back in shape, to become clearer about what you want, to boost your mood, strengthen your immune system, and reduce stress. You need all of this now more than ever. Help us make the pivot bed a reality. Back us now to